Hello and welcome. My name is Troy Hargrove. I'm the creator of the 4 little known secrets to keeping your clipper blades sharp. This is a course that teaches you everything that you could possibly, any issue that you could possibly have dealing with clipper blades, shears, and clipper machines. I want to welcome you to Rust and Corrosion Removal Secrets. Okay, before we deal with removal, I think we should deal with prevention. Okay, and the way you prevent rust and corrosion from getting on your blades is to not use water-based products. Water-based products is what rusts our metal. Also, this spray coolant here is an excellent product. It's a 5-in-1. That means it cools, disinfects, lubricates, cleans, and it's a rust preventative. Make sure if you use the coolant spray, you use the one that says 5-in-1. But even still, with this, it says right here on the front that you should oil the blades after every use of spraying this coolant. Nobody seems to read this little care tip here. The way you oil the blade directly after spraying this coolant is you turn the blade over, you oil into the groove of the nylon glide along the cutting surface. You close the blade along the groove of the nylon glide cutting surface. You close it back and you're good to go. Okay, now this is a drywall sanding sponge. You get this at Home Depot for about $4 or $5. It's basically a piece of sandpaper that's glued over a sponge. It comes in fine, medium, and coarse. Depending on how severe your problem is with rust on your blades, you'll know which one that you should use. Basically what you do is you take this drywall sanding sponge and you go around in circles, you get it off. Then you can dip it in some blade wash with a toothbrush and you wipe it down and all your rust is gone there. Same thing with the inside the groove of this nylon glide is very, very important. You could take the corners of here and you get inside the groove. Same thing, you go back the other side and do the other side. Now the reason that's important is because hair, dirt, and dander gets caught in here and it gums this up. And what it does is it doesn't slide back and forth easily, even after sharpening. So you want to get that, you want to keep that nice and clean. That's why you want to keep oiling that and you want to keep that nice and clean. Also with this drywall sanding sponge, when I do the clipper machine tune-ups, this is the typical motor out of an A5 Ulster clipper, fan assembly, the whole deal. You see this black ring around the armature? That's where the motor brushes go. Both motor brushes fit on both sides and then it spins around. Well, when you first get this clipper, it doesn't have this black ring around it. The way you get that off, again, is with the drywall sanding sponge. Basically, you could just go around nice. See how clean that is now? I don't know if the camera can pick that up. But basically, this is like giving a clipper machine a new turbo boost. And it'll go as fast as it was when you first got it. So when I do a basic maintenance on a clipper machine, I'm cleaning the black ring around the armature. I'm getting all of the dander, the hair, and the grease from around this motor here, as well as changing the blade drive, hinge, and latch, or at least checking it to see if you need it. So that's part of your basic maintenance. But you can get a lot of use out of this drywall sanding sponge. I also wanted to show you a great product. This is awesome, the coolant sprays, if it's used correctly. But this is H42. This will protect you from HIV, influenza viruses. It does the same thing as the cleans, lubricates, protects, but it's also, you can also use this on your shears, your nail clippers, anything like that. This is an awesome product. It's available with CMS Cutlery at CMS Cutlery. I don't promote this because this could put me out of business, but this is an awesome product. H42, it's specifically designed for clipper blades and any cutting instruments. And I want to thank you for listening. This is Rust and Corrosion Removal Secrets. Thank you.